Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start with essentials already in place, an Apple ID and network access. First, open Settings and tap Messages. Make sure Send and Receive lists your Apple ID. Once done, toggle iMessage on. Then open the Messages app to begin a conversation. It will attempt to activate if needed. This activation can take a few seconds. If you see Waiting for Activation, make sure your carrier allows SMS activation and that you can send/receive texts. Now you'll set how you're reached and how you send. Go back to Settings, Messages, Send and Receive, and select the phone number and email addresses you want active. This controls where replies arrive. Once configured, open Messages and either pick a contact or tap the new message icon. Type your message. Blue bubbles mean iMessage, green means SMS. Make sure the recipient is registered with iMessage to use effects and read receipts. Finish by customizing features. In Messages settings, enable read receipts, send as SMS or MMS based on preference. Use the app drawer for stickers, tapbacks, and effects when sending blue bubble messages. If iMessage won't activate, try toggling iMessage off and on, sign out of your Apple ID and sign back in, or restart the iPhone. These steps refresh network and Apple ID connections. If issues persist, contact your carrier. Activation requires SMS support from your network.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.